Hello traders. In this video, I will be giving out two stocks which could be traded for intraday in tomorrow's session, 10th of June, as well as my analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So, let's get started. With Nifty, I had defined a certain range that was between 10,330 and 10,050. And Nifty did close near about the lower side of this range. Now, my view for Nifty was bullish, but because of the European markets, which opened lower after around 12 p.m. or so, Nifty and Bank Nifty started a huge downside rally at around 12 p.m., which was the reason why Nifty closed around its low. Now, my view for tomorrow depends on the opening scenario for the Indian markets. A gap up or a flat opening will result in a bullish move, as per my analysis, of around 30 to 40 points. But whereas if gap down is visible in Nifty, then a short trade could be initiated with a bearish confirmation of volume. Profits should be taken around 9,980 as per my view. Again, moving on to Bank Nifty. Now, for me, sorry, let the chart. Yeah. So for me, Bank Nifty is mildly bullish and mildly bearish, meaning if certain levels are breached with certain confirmations, I would take that trade. Let me explain. If Bank Nifty closes above 20,920 with a bullish candle, I would initiate a buy trade with a target profit of 21,200. But Bank Nifty is looking a little bearish at the moment, and actually, I wouldn't mind going short as soon as the market opens with a gap down tomorrow, with a target of 20,595 followed by 20,470. Now, moving on to the two stocks which I will be recommending for tomorrow for intraday trading, which are MGL and Dabur. Let's start with MGL. MGL on a daily chart, if you were to see, since the past four sessions has been trading lower on back of low volumes. Both of these signal that sellers are not dominant in this market and buyers will be the ones who will be regaining control of this stock. Now, the only thing for which you have to wait is confirmation of a trend line, which has to be broken. And this trend line is basically this exact trend line which I am drawing on the screen. If this trend line is broken above with a bullish candle and a volume confirmation, a buy trade could be initiated for a target of 10,060. Now, for intraday for tomorrow, I would be recommending that wait for this trend line to break with this resistance to also break for a buy trade to be initiated. But once 999,000 level is breached, you will have three confirmations, which is trend line break, resistance break, psychological level break. So a buy trade could be initiated for MGL with a target of around 12 points from the market price, so 1,012 rupees. On the downside, there are some chances. That is actually a break below 986 is when I would consider going short for a target of 982 and 975. Moving on to Dabur. Now, Dabur actually broke out of this trading range which we had made in the last video with a bullish green candle and more than average volumes. Now, for me, Dabur's target was 510 rupees for short term, not for intraday. But if you want to trade for intraday, tomorrow a good buy could be done. Now, it is already closed above this resistance with more than average volumes. So, a buy trade any which ways with a flat or a gap opening can be initiated. But wait for the price action to play and then take the trade. Now, in my case, Dabur's targets are 470, 472.5, 4 and 475. But if you are a safe trader, wait for a price action to play around the 470 resistance level, and if there's a breakout above that level, then initiate a buy trade for the next two targets of 472.5 and 475. On the downside, I am not so bearish on this stock, so I wouldn't recommend going for a short trade in Dabur. So yeah, that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment on this video, and also subscribe so that you receive the latest content whenever I upload. Now, I have one request from you guys. If you guys think there is some problem in my content or the video quality, then don't forget to comment down below, and I will try to reply and make changes accordingly.